Look at the square. Imagine it is a little garden and we want to put a fence all the way around it. But how much fence will we need? Do we just measure one side? Or do we need to find the total distance all the way around the square? That is exactly what we call perimeter. Let's find out. Perimeter means the distance around the outside of a shape. We are not measuring the space inside. We are measuring the total length around the edges. This shape is a square. A square has four equal sides. That means all four sides have the same length. Here, each side is 4 centimeters long. To find the perimeter, we add all four sides. So we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That equals 16. So the perimeter of this square is 16 centimeters. But because all four sides are equal, we do not always need to add one by one. We can use a quicker method. Since the side length is 4 and there are 4 equal sides, we can do 4 times 4. That also gives us 16. Now let's write a formula. Suppose the side length of the square is called A, then the perimeter is A plus A plus A plus A. That is the same as 4 times A. So the formula for the perimeter of a square is perimeter equals 4 times the side length. Or more simply, P equals 4 times A. Let's try another example. If each side of the square is 6 centimeters, then perimeter equals 4 times 6, that is 24 centimeters. So the perimeter is 24 centimeters. Now suppose the square field has sides of 12 meters each. Then the perimeter is 4 times 12. That equals 48 meters. So we need 48 meters of fencing. Remember, perimeter is a length. So the answer uses the same unit as the side length. If the side is in centimeters, the perimeter is in centimeters. If the side is in meters, the perimeter is in meters. Great job! Now you know what perimeter means and how to find the perimeter of a square. In the next video, we'll test what you've learned with the perimeter challenge, including some tricky questions.